Alright, so this is the lesson one of the KwaiCut video editing app. Alright, this is your KwaiCut alternative. In case this is a free app that you can download on your Play Store, or you can also download it on your Apple Store. So it is a free app and you have all the features that KwaiCut has, and it can give you everything that you want to do. So if you're using KwaiCut, you are tired of making payment, so switch over to KwaiCut. Alright, so this is the lesson 001 on KwaiCut, and this is a complete full course. Alright, this is the 001 lesson of KwaiCut. So here's your KwaiCut environment. The first thing you want to do, you want to go over to new editing, click on new editing. Once you click on new editing, it's going to take you to your video. Now first thing we're going to do with this particular class is to show you how to add multiple videos. Alright, you can add videos to your layers. Once you click on done, alright, it's going to come over to you. If you are familiar with KwaiCut, then you should be familiar with KwaiCut. It's the same thing. Alright, over here you can add your audio. You have all the options to add your audio, and you can add substitutes. Now KwaiCut give you the ability to add substitute of yourself. Here's your audio, you can add audio from here. Here's your substitute, you can add subtitle from here. All right, now KwaiCut give you the ability to be able to add subtitle by typing them out. All right, so over here, let's say you are doing a video editing and you want to add a particular video to this video. You just come over to this plus sign button. You hit on this plus sign button, it's going to take you to hit on this button. It will take you to your gallery. When you get to your gallery, you can go over to your gallery and add another image. We're going to click on this one. Right, we're going to click on done, and then it's going to import, and then it's going to be loaded. Now you see, right, now you can move from the first image, the first frame, and then you can see the partitions here. So it uses partitions just like that of KwaiCut. All right, here is your partitions. We are splitting just like KwaiCut. Now if you are familiar with KwaiCut, you are going to be familiar with KwaiCut. Now there's your lesson 001, and we're going to be doing a lot with this particular app. So if you are seeing this, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can follow up other subsequent classes that will follow. Now don't forget that KwaiCut is a free app and it has a KwaiCut features. You don't need to pay any money for KwaiCut. It's free. You can download it on Play Store, and you can also download it on Apple Store. So I will see you in my next class.